Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply take screenshot or screen record or capture your incognito mode in Chrome browser. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to simply click on my Chrome browser right here to open up my Chrome. The next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this plus sign here to make a new tab. Next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar. Then what you want to do here is to type in Chrome :// flags and hit enter. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to search flag right here. So right here, type in Incognito. Then under Incognito right here, simply scroll down and then make sure you click on default right here. Under default right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on enable right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on relaunch. So you can simply scroll down right here. From your flag experiment, you have incognito screenshot enable. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots. Then make sure you go to new incognito tab. With that, you should be able to screen record or take a screenshot of your incognito mode. So if I'm trying to make a screenshot now, the screenshot has been done successful, and you can record whatever you are doing on incognito mode. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.